Hey there and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily turn your Wix website into a scrollable page, even when it feels too small at first. If you've just started with Wix, or you're designing a one-page site and you notice you can't scroll up or down, this quick fix will help you add smooth vertical scrolling, making your site feel sleeker and more interactive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add sections and expand your page's content. Let's dive right in. So let's look at the problem. You open up your Wix editor and your site looks great, but it's just a single short section. There's no ability to scroll, which can feel a bit restrictive. Maybe you want visitors to keep exploring or just prefer the look of a longer page. Thankfully, Wix makes this super simple to solve. Here, what you need to do. First, hover your mouse just beneath your current section in the Wix editor. You'll notice a little Add Section button appear. It often looks like a plus sign with some options. Take your time here and make sure you're hovering right below the existing content. Sometimes it's easy to miss if you move too quickly. Now go ahead and click that button. You'll see a bunch of section options pop up, but for this tutorial we'll keep it easy. Choose the option to add an image. Adding an image is a fast way to create more space on your site, and you can always swap this image later for whatever content you want. After you select your image, make sure you expand the section vertically. Think of this like stretching out a blank canvas. The more room you give, the further users will be able to scroll. Once you've expanded the section, repeat that process one more time. Hover just below your newly added section, click Add Section again and add another image. Maybe experiment this time. You could use the same image or try something different if you're curious. Then expand this second section as well. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to get the size just right. Wix allows you to resize very flexibly, so you can always adjust later. When you step back and take a look at your site now, you'll notice a change. You have a page that's longer and you can scroll back and forth. This is a core feature for most modern websites. A scrollable site is much easier for visitors to navigate, and it opens the door for you to add more information, media, or features as your site grows. At this point, I always recommend using the preview function before publishing anything. Click Preview at the top of the editor. Now try scrolling. You should see your new sections and images, and that vertical scroll bar appears just like you want. If everything looks good, you're ready to continue building out your site, or you can go back into the editor to make more changes. And that's really it. It's a straightforward way to make your Wix website scrollable. Don't worry if you want to tweak images or replace them with other types of section content later. The key is you've given your page that necessary boost in length. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on web design tips. Got a question, or did you run into a snag while expanding your sections on Wix? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.